This is the reverse chain stitch. It has these chain links here, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So when you start every line of your reverse chain stitch, we start with one short little back stitch here. So I'll come up, and then I just go backwards, making my short back stitch. And I always like to think of that as the clasp on my bracelet, and everything else is links in my bracelet chain. So next, similar to the back stitch, I will come up, leaving a space. And now to make my first link, I'm going to slide my needle underneath that back stitch, pull it on through, and then go back down right where I came up to close up my link, like so. Now we add another link. So just like last time, we leave a space, come on up, and this time we want to slide our needle underneath both strands of that link you just made. Slide it underneath and go back down in the same spot again, like so. For this stitch, you can also flip your needle around with the eye of the needle and slide that underneath your stitches. The eye of the needle is duller and sometimes makes it easier to slide under your thread, like so. And you can also change up how your links look. Really short links will look more like a braid. Let's pull that through there. And really long links will look much thinner and have more space on the inside. Like so. But you can play around and make your links whatever size you would like.